Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace new door check stop on your Nissan Juke. First you want to do is to remove this screw cap and remove the screw using a Torx screwdriver. Next step is to remove the triangular panel at the top of the door panel. Using a pry bar, pry up the power window switch panel starting at the top here. Using a flathead screwdriver, disconnect the harnesses from the switch panel. Just push down on the tabs and pull the harness out. Using a pry bar, pull out around the door to release the clips. Using a flathead screwdriver, disconnect the harness from the door speaker. Remove the three 10mm bolts holding the door speaker, then pry the speaker out. So this is our door check stop, which are bolted by three 10mm bolts. Using a ratchet and 10mm socket, remove the three bolts holding the door check stop. As you can see, this is the old door check stop that's been snapped in half. This is the old door check stop that we just removed from the door panel. And this is the new one that we're going to install. Take your new door check stop and put it back into the door. Install the three 10mm bolts back to secure the door check. So we already installed those three bolts holding the door check stop. Push your speaker back into place by securing it with the three 10mm bolts. Reconnect the speaker. Reinstall the door panel starting from the top. Reconnect the harnesses to the switch panel. And push the switch panel back to its place. Reinstall the torque screw. And put back the screw cap. Last step is put back the triangular panel at the top of the door panel. All good. And that's how you remove your door panel and replace your door check stop on your Nissan Juke. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And always, thanks for watching.